AfriForum seeks legal action for public access to Matric results amid privacy concerns. In a decisive move to uphold transparency and public access to educational achievements, AfriForum, a South African civil rights organization, has announced its intent to legally challenge the Information Regulator's recent prohibition on the publication of matriculation (Matric) results in the media. This legal action underscores a recurring debate over privacy versus public interest in the context of academic accomplishments. The controversy began when the Information Regulator issued a directive restricting the disclosure of Matric results, invoking privacy concerns. This decision marks a shift from the previous stance held by the Department of Basic Education, which had similarly attempted to impose a ban last year, but was overruled in court following a case brought by AfriForum, Morella Media, and a matriculant. Historically in South Africa, Matric results have been publicly available, providing a nationwide snapshot of educational outcomes. The results, typically anonymized by examination numbers, enable students to access their outcomes through various media platforms, adding to the celebratory and communal spirit of academic achievement. Alana Bailey, AfriForum's head of cultural affairs, argues that the publication of these results, stripped of personal identifiers like names, and thereby maintaining individual privacy, should not be construed as an infringement on rights to privacy. The court has recognized in past rulings that the use of examination numbers adequately protects students' identities, aligning the practice with both legal and ethical standards, Bailey explains. Furthermore, AfriForum views the public dissemination of Matric results as a matter of public interest that fosters a transparent and accountable educational system. It highlights educational standards and outcomes, stimulating informed public discourse on the state of education in South Africa. The previous court ruling in January 2022, which favored AfriForum and other parties against the Department of Basic Education, set a precedent suggesting that the public's right to access educational results in a manner that respects privacy is defendable. An order to proceed with the publication and a cost order against the department underscored the court's stance. As AfriForum gears up for another legal battle, the core issue extends beyond the mere publication of results, touching upon broader themes of freedom of information, privacy rights, and educational transparency. The organization remains steadfast in its mission to ensure that this educational milestone remains a shared communal experience, reflecting a collective acknowledgement of the scholar's hard work and aspirations. AfriForum's proactive stance not only champions the cause of matriculants and their families, but also defends the principles of open access and accountability in South Africa's educational journey. The outcome of this impending legal confrontation could have lasting implications on how educational data is handled in the country, balancing individual privacy with the collective right to know and celebrate educational achievements. Thank you for choosing Satori News.